Horses in. Horses out. We have Lucky pass to begin. Down on the inside is Don Paulo. High chair confusion. Giri comes next. Then followed by For Your Eyes Only. Third last, Pali, Please Do, and Cutting Edge in that order. As they leave the straight, we've got Lucky by about 2 lengths. Don Paulo in second. By the rail, third comes High Chair Confusion. Moving up on the outside, fourth, For Your Eyes Only. Giri, Pali comes next, Cutting Edge, and Please Do. As they swing down the back, we've got Lucky this time by about 3 lengths. Don Paulo still in second. High Chair Confusion in third. Then followed by For Your Eyes Only, Giri, Pali, Cutting Edge, and Please Do. Lucky by only 2 lengths. Then here comes High Chair Confusion. Now coming closer in second. For Your Eyes Only in third. Moving up Don Paulo. Giri's by the rail, and Pali. Lucky still in front by a length and a half. High Chair Confusion now in second. Moving up For Your Eyes Only. Giri also coming into the picture together with Pali. As they come down at the last 200. Lucky. High Chair Confusion is by the rail. Moving up on the outside is Giri. We've got Lucky. And by the road comes Cutting Edge. And finally it's Lucky. Cutting Edge, Giri.
Wala tayong photo, so it will be 8, 1, 2, 5, and 4. Yan ang ating datingan. That's Rider VC Corpus. On board Lucky. Ang kanyang kwartos is 18, 24 and a half, 25, 27. 134.8 ang preba ni Lucky.